Great advice about lead generation that anyone can easily follow. You have to generate new leads, but how? What does it take to bring in people who really want what you're selling? It takes determination and skill, but it also takes knowledge. To start your education, check out the many helpful tips and tricks below as soon as possible. To generate leads for your enterprise, make people an offer. The offer can be in the form of a free ebook, newsletter, coupon, or other enticement. Make sure it is high in value and relevant to your particular audience. When you make a tempting offer, you will generate plenty of good leads. Incentives can drive people to act when they wouldn't otherwise. An incentive to purchase something can separate your company from the rest. Give these leads a reason to accept the offer you give them. Pay attention to consumer review and case studies when working to generate an increase in leads. Consumers will usually give you information or buy your goods when they've got data that supports your cause. Use studies that are relevant to your business and have customers review your products. Check out local events in order to maximize your leads. If you're allowed to have a table there, you could hand out pamphlets and hold a giveaway. Just ask people to leave their name and email in return for a ballot, but be sure to let them know if you'll be adding them to a mailing list. Consider local garage sales if your business is focused locally. For example, if you run a garage, you could host a table at a neighborhood sale selling tools or first aid kits. You can let people know about how honest and reliable you are face to face, increasing your reputation and generating leads. Now you know how to bring in leads which will be lucrative. This is the knowledge you needed to ensure future success. As soon as you start using this data, you'll find your business only gets better. Start your lead generation planning today so that customers flock in and your profits soar. Student loan.